All right.
Okay, we're fixing to make pancakes now. So here, hold the cup. Stand up. Here, stand up so you can see better. There. Okay, Mommy will pour it in. This one's kind of stuck. Oh, don't dump it in yet. Well, don't dump it yet. Hold it. Don't dump it. Let Mommy pull this out. Ah, there we are. Okay. Got one. Whoa. Two. Let me do it a little bit so I put this extra. Okay.
Napkin.
You don't need a napkin. It's okay. Look, it's flour. Just dust it off. You can dust it on your shirt. It's okay. It won't hurt nothing. Okay, here. Pour the water in. Okay. There. Good boy. Now you want to stir it? Here. Stir it with this. Stir it real good. Mommy will get the pan turned on.
What you doing, Braxton?
Say, I'm making pancakes.
Pancakes.
All right.
Say they're yummy. Okay. Their spray. Oh boy. Now we gotta put the spice in. Here. Dump some in. You can do it. Do it. Do it again. One more time. Good job. Now, let's stir it more. Okay, you ready to cook it? So Daddy said we're fixing to cook. Say we're going to make pancakes.